welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Doors again. Ari, follow me. Ari, get in. Wow, you have a lot of deaths for a noob.
That's because I barely play this. I haven't played this in.
I said that's a lot of deaths.
Well, I haven't played this in.
You have half as many deaths as me, and you play less than me. I can't buy anything. Buy a lockpick.
I didn't buy anything.
Why? You're a disappointment. I called dibs on all the drawers.
Sure.
Yay.
You didn't want to greed anymore, right?
No, that's only in hard mode.
Wait, I can't couch. Never mind, I think you're on.
Greed is only in hard mode.
What the heck?
I think that's glitch. Uncrouch.
I literally can't move.
You're moving on my screen.
Can you see your screen? I look like I'm getting possessed by Vecna.
Yeah, maybe we should just do a different round.
Yeah, let's. Oh god. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna join back in Roblox because I had to
I'm gonna get killed.
we had a little detour.
I'm gonna hide in a closet until I die.
Well, I'll be waiting on the little couch. Okay, just reset your character.
But I wanna die naturally. Ah, fine. I can't reset. I literally can't reset.
The game.
No, I will. I have to die. Normally. Okay, I died.
Okay.
What? Hello. Okay, Ari, follow me. I'm over here. Get in.
Okay.
Right lockpick. Good job. Now don't open any drawers. Because I want to. What drawer? Yes, a lighter.
Not again.
It happened again?
Yes.
Wait, let me see it. Wait a little bit. Wait, I feel like. Well, I'm gonna just go on without you.
Yeah.
Wait, just stay in the game. There might be a way to fix.
Oh.
Is the screen still like that?
Well, I just got a badge. Oh God.
Yeah, I feel like the game doesn't like you. Either that or the game is just glitchy for you. Oh, stay in the game.
Okay.
Good. Wait, did you ever go in super hard mode? Once. Yeah, maybe we should just play an entire different game.
Yeah.
What game should we play?
I don't know. Um.
Join me. Join me.
Sure. Guess we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure.
Ari, join me on green team.
Okay.
No, wait. I want to join you. I want to join you. Rocky. I am going to make the strongest boat ever.
Okay.
I'm going to use gold and bedrock. Okay, there's my gold. This is gonna be the best boat ever.
What the heck?
Oops. If it's all of my requirements so far, it's the perfect size. What did you just get? Oh, you opened a chest. Nice. I have 3,000.
I got gold.
I'm saving up for the
Legendary?
No, I have enough.
Oh.
I'm saving up for the scaling thing, you know, the
Good?
yeah. And it's gonna be revolutionary when I get it.
Okay. Could I put a chair for over there?
No, I can put it. Keep that there. No, wait. Get rid of it. Get rid of...
That.
Yeah.
There.
Get in the boat.
Hey Michael, did you get the sour punch today?
Yeah.
Our group got it for the first time.
For first time? Seems awfully low.
Yeah, we usually don't get the stuff. We don't have any chairs.
Don't worry, we will.
Is that your chair?
I don't know. Whose chair do you want it to be?
Yours. Do I put chair in here?
No, I will. Are you move for a second?
I'll just be sitting in your chair for the meantime.
Yeah.
Royal throne.
No, I accidentally... How do we get out again? Oh, okay.
Jump.
Don't worry.
Okay, good. I was about to be like, are you still in my spot?
No. Okay, I'm gonna get your chair. Okay, stay up there.
Is this one?
Help! I put chairs. I put chairs everywhere. I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add a few more things.
Does this jetpack that's in here work?
No, they do. They work.
How do they work? How do they work?
Click them and then you just jump. Although mine's the purple one. Mine's the purple one because it has more fuel. Okay. The boat is ready. Okay, are you in your chair?
I got my jetpack on just in case.
Okay.
If we have an accident and I need a flow.
We're definitely gonna get this victory royale. We're heading.
Driving?
Yeah.
We were heading through a crater. Why do you keep doing everything?
I'm not trying to. You're doing excellent. No, 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 no,
Taking the non-cheesiest.
no,
Taking the non-one.
no,
This is
no.
not. This is not even cheesy. I'll give you that next time.
Good. It broke the seats. Oh shoot. The engine broke. Ah! I'm trying to get it back upright.
Do you have your jetpack on just in case?
No.
Why do you not have your jetpack on?
Because I don't want it on.
Where is it anyway? Where? Ooh, we got a piece missing from the boats.
It's just one. Oh no, not this area.
Look at it, it's beautiful.
It will in a second. Huh? Oh. See, I told you.
Ooh, it's not good.
Told you.
When does the water come back?
Few seconds.
Ooh, our ship is not looking good.
It's made it this far without taking this much damage.
Okay, next time we're gonna need to build a bigger boat.
No, we don't.
Wait, can you build a pirate ship?
No, I can't.
Why are there little purple squares on our boat?
We're at the second to last stage.
Is that a tsunami?
Ah! Oh shoot, your seat's destroyed! Ari! Are you still inside?
Yeah.
Oh shoot!
I think I just... Whoa!
Oh no, Ari! Use your jetpack! Okay, get on, Ari, get on.
Hold on.
Ari, get to the second stage.
I'm trying to. How do I move?
You just use your control. Use the thumbstick.
I know I am. Apparently move. I'm making a little bit of progress.
You're gonna run out. I'm gonna make without you.
No, you're not.
I am.
I still got half fuel left.
That's because I'm already at the waterfall.
I'm right here. I'm right behind Clay.
You're not right behind me.
Close behind me.
No, you're not.
Far behind me.
Yeah.
Half fuel. Can I swim through the water or no?
No, you'll die. Well, you're pretty close. I see you.
Hi! Oh god, I'm really close to you.
You're gonna die.
I'm using it very slowly. Not too much. Don't use too much. Don't. If I touch this water, will I die?
Yes. Well, you won't die instantly. Oh my god, Ari, is this your first win?
Yes. Ooh.
Hi, Ari! Oh my god!
Oh god, now I need to really hustle.
No, you can jump down now.
Yes!
You're bald.
I made it!
You're bald now.
Wait, did our boat survive or no?
It gets destroyed at the end. Although it did mostly survive.
Okay, let's pull the bigger boat then. Okay, time to build a bigger boat.
I don't want to build a bigger one though.
Longer. Wider.
Fine.
I'm just building something random over here. I'm just building something random over here. Just some of these. I have a little wheel. We can use this wheel.
That is not a wheel.
This wheel.
That is not a... Oh, that doesn't work. Those type of wheels don't work. There, is this a good infrastructure?
Yeah.
Stop moving me.
Do you need gold? I have gold.
You have 1 gold. Just put it right here.
Is this gold? This gold? No, wait, that's not gold.
That's sand.
Let me look for my gold.
I'll show you where to place it.
Right where you're standing?
No. Right under that bedrock. Yeah, right there.
There. That's the last gold I have.
That's the only gold you have. Do you think this will do us better?
Yeah.
Okay. I wish you could buy gold.
Yeah. What is the strongest item in the game?
Gold. The second strongest is like the gold thrones, and I'd say the third strongest is the bedrock. You know, the black stuff that I'm using.
Yeah, I know what bedrock is, man.
You do?
I play
And plus, this isn't even making a dent in how much bedrock I have. I still have 923 more.
What the?
Don't worry. Move, please.
Maybe I have some obsidian.
And this will be the last round that we play.
Is this obsidian? Oh, that's not obsidian.
There's no obsidian in this game.
Bedrock.
That is also not bedrock. I'm finally done with the wall.
Do I add my chair?
No, I'll add it.
I was gonna add my.
Oh, I said I'll add it. Arby's, we have the meats.
You don't want to get copyright complaint on the video, man.
You heard nothing. You heard nothing. Stop clicking it. Rate it 1 through 10.
I'm just gonna.
All right. What so far? What do you rate it?
Let me just get up here. Sorry. There. Pretty good. How do we get up now?
Wait, we don't need those. I said we don't need them. Okay, alright. Alright. Get over here.
There we go. Now, did you put the jetpacks inside?
No, not yet. I will, though.
How do we get down there inside? Never mind. I know what I want my chair to be.
No, you don't.
Can I just have my chair?
No. Only I can.
Oh. What are you making my chair as?
I don't know.
I want it to be kind of like that office one.
I can make it the gold throne.
Are we both going to be having gold thrones?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
not me. Because I need to drive.
Did you put some jet? Okay, good.
Help!
Mm.
Never mind, I don't need it. I'm not done yet. I'm still placing stuff.
What's that?
That is my throne. I mean, that's my chair. That's my chair.
How do I get off?
Jump. Press a button.
What is that thing?
Plushie.
No, I have my water stuff. Or just do the regular office chair.
Wait, first I'm placing the jetpacks.
Yes, we need those.
Okay, now I will place your chair.
So the jetpacks can help us if we get into the same situation I got into.
Mm-hmm. Don't touch Gerald. If you do, I'm gonna let you die.
How did you get Gerald anyways?
Child to work day.
Oh wait, are we going already?
No. Still adding stuff.
Peach. Peaches. Peaches.
You're the one who's talking about copyright claims.
Oh yeah, that wouldn't get a copyright claim unless you like claim that it's your song. That Peaches by Jack Black. Peaches, peaches.
Oh, peaches, peaches, peaches by Jack Black.
Peaches, 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 peaches.
I love you. Ah, peaches.
Mario, Luigi,
And a Donkey Kong too.
A thousand
Koopa
troopers
Troopers
singing from you. Princess Peach at the end of the line. I'll make you mine. Oh, I thought we just exploded.
No, that's for another day. Oh shoot. I didn't save it. No, not like this. Yes! Oh, thank goodness. I thought we were gonna have to end the video right there.
We're about to hit a crater. Not very small.
What the heck is what?
That.
What's that?
Up there. The thing coming out.
That's the engine.
No, like that thing, the pink thing.
Yeah, that's the engine.
Like the long pink thing.
That's the engine.
I'm not talking about the red thing right
There is no pink thing.
there. It was just inside the little wall over there. It had like a little light thing.
Hmm. You tell me.
I don't know what it was.
Neither do I.
Because you didn't see it. Is that supposed to be like a barrier?
It's a force field. Okay, yes, I do want this. No, they're destroying all the force fields. We gotta get out of here quick.
We don't have any more force fields.
I know.
We got a hole in the boat.
Well, where?
Right on your side.
That's not my side. Oh, wait, it is. Also, I think the engine's broken.
Yeah, you don't say.
That wasn't my fault.
Take me out to the ball game.
Oh no. We're flipped.
A whole half of our boat is broken.
Not half. That's not half.
A whole boat.
Yes, we flipped back to normal.
My hat! My mask!
Eh. Yes, I still got my layered clothing.
Bro.
Never mind. I still have my duck head. Nothing will get rid of my duck head or my duck buddies.
At least I still have my fuzzy.
Oh my god, that smile's creepy.
I'm gonna be upgrading to that mouth where it has little squiggles.
I don't know what you're talking about. What game?
Huh?
What game?
What do you mean?
What game in Roblox are you talking about?
Oh, I'm not talking about a game. I'm gonna be updating my mouth, the one that has a little squiggle. My shirt is broke, I think.
Alright, stay in.
I'm putting on my jetpack just in case if I have to do my ultra mega art part 4 again.
You probably will.
We're on the last stage. Oh wait, does the water dissolve here?
No. Not here. Oh shoot, my chair! Oh no! Oh no!
I'm still alive. No! Yes!
I lost my arm and a leg.
You should have had your jetpack on!
I did!
I have mine on.
I had mine on. Well, bye guys. See you next video.
Wait, I'm still making it to the exit.
No.
Oh, I see our poor boat. It's already like.
Bye guys. See you in the next video.